Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi and I'm here to present on my field placement experience at Barry Manor, which is located at 340 Blake Street, Barry. Without getting any further ado, let's get started with the presentation. So, Barry Manor Enhanced Care Community is a retirement community offering high level of the care and is located at east side of the Barry, just one block away from Johnson Street Beach and 4-minute drive to the Royal Victoria Hospital. Their motto is Live Beautifully. In this slide, I have shared the contact details for the Barry Manor. Their email is info@barry.ca. Phone number is 7057223611 and their website is barrymanor.ca. How I got this placement on the first time. I emailed several HR managers and letting them know my qualification and the need of the field placement. I also contacted retirement homes and nursing homes on their reception numbers. I received an email from the Barry Manor about the interview, and the interview was based on my knowledge regarding temperature hazards, basic healthcare, sanitation, etc. I was hired on the same day for the morning cook and dietary. I started at Barry Manor on 16th May 2022. The first 3 weeks included all the training and protocols which I have to follow in the kitchens and in the dining area. These are the pictures of the dietary stations and the dining area, and all the permission have been taken from the management for using these photos in my presentation. Some of the important checklist points for the kitchen. I make sure the food is cooked at a proper temperature and the food temperature records are being maintained. Equipment are cleaned and sanitized and ready to use. Food has been prepared according to the menu and the sanitation protocol is performed at every stage while the preparation of the food. This will ensure there is no chances of cross-contamination during the preparation. Here is this chart. This chart indicates all the hazard temperatures I which which we take here, like all the refrigerated food is maintained at 4 degrees Celsius, frozen food are maintained below 18 degrees Celsius, and if we are making food such as fish, we make sure we cook them at a certain temperature like for 70 degrees Celsius internal, and it maintains the temperature for at least 15 seconds. And all the cookings of the hazard foods must be held at minimum 60 degrees Celsius until services. The checklist for the dietary services in regards to sanitation and hygienes are: I make sure the tables are cleaned and sanitized properly between services. All the dirty dishes are cleaned at high temperature settings. Food items touched by residents are discarded appropriately, and the food trolleys are cleaned and sanitized prior to their use. My experience so far. My co-workers at Barry Manor has very welcoming since my day one. They encourage me to do better and always check upon me during my service, and I offer their help if I need in the time of need. Even the residents were very welcoming and kind and polite with me. I have learned various new skills in food preparations. I have also attended kitchen and dietary meetings in which we have discussed our problems and how can we provide even better care to our residents. This is a good way to communicate with the management. How I achieved my field placement goals. As a cook, I make sure the need and requirement for the medical condition of the resident is met. For example, if a resident has a problem in swallowing, I prepare pureed food for them. I manage food preparation and stored food with relevant legislations and best practices, and I also supported my co-workers and helped them in a best professional way. I also managed inventory and supplies of goods and services and letting the management know if the kitchen is getting short for certain supply. I also delivered customer service in accordance adherence to the rules and the registration of the institution. How this in placement has influenced me and the skills I've learned so far. Interacting with the coworkers and residents makes me realize we should never miss opportunities in our life. Also, because we have to do everything according to time, my time management skills also has been improved. I learned how to prepare food in bulk and importance of maintaining temperature maintenance during preparation and storage, and how to make different texture foods such as pureed, minced, chopped up, and liquidized. I also learned that healthy food doesn't mean the food should be bland. One could get innovative with the preparation and presentation. I also observed that food plays an important role on the mood of the residents. During my field placement, my decision making power also has been improved. I'm a vegetarian, so not only I learned about the different cuisines, I also learned about the daily how our daily food intake choices impact our health and how we can improve our health condition just by making the right food options. I recommend this job to anyone who has a eager to learn and have a sympathy towards elders. And in fact, I recommend this job to to my fellow classmates in Georgian College who are looking for the field placement in their third semester. I'm grateful this I'm grateful to everyone who has provided with provided the opportunity to learn new skills and also improved me. This whole experience also improved me as as a human being. So I'm thankful to Georgian College, our instructor Travis, staff and residents at the Barrymore. Thank you and have a nice day.